Okay then.
Thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Axtell to Woodmore, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Crofton, Greenbelt, Baltimore, Washington Airport, Mammoth River, Dobbins Island, Surrey Bay, Glenbury, Severn Park, Odomtown,
This is SBR for AA Calvert Prince George. Great. Wonderful.
Thanks and web.
In southern Maryland, southeastern Prince George's County, and central Maryland until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dunkirk, or near Chesapeake Beach, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall, caused by thunderstorms. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Seaside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Dunkirk, Huntingtown, Floyd, Beta, Quantico, Galesville, Friendship, Lower Marlboro, Tracy's Landing, Sunderland, and Mount Carmel.
Gosh darn it, Caleb.